What is it?
Aunt, do you have sangra?
Yes, I do. Today, Pari has made a demand, seems.
Pari is angry, so I'm making her favorite food.
Look, there it is.
Okay. This one?
Yes.
You know it right, Aunt. She throws such tantrums in between.
Look, you are like this only. If you like someone, then you don't care about the consequence. And once you consider someone guilty, then you won't give a chance.
Aunt, please.
All right, I'll come with you. She surely listens to me. Our Pari is smart, okay?
No need, Aunt. Sangre dish will work out. And you will know it once her anger subsides.
Are you sure about that?
Once the smell of the dish comes, then she will come to you and she will tell you what she ate today.
All right.
I'll go.
Okay.
I know everything.
You are angry at me as I didn't let you speak with Yash.
But I am your mother. I know all of your weaknesses. Let me see. For how long will you not speak with me? Now the remaining work, this smell will do. Now she will tell me, Mom, why did you not tell me if you were going to make my favorite dish? If you had told me earlier, then I wouldn't got angry on you. Why is she not yet here? She should have come by now. Did she not get the smell of the sangra? Why is she so angry? She will come for sure. Once she comes, then it will be fun. Pari, dear, come to eat food. Pari, I have made all your favorite dish. Come, dear.
I told you that I am not hungry, right?
You told me back then that you are not hungry. But now you are hungry, right?
I'm not hungry even now.
All right. I'll not insist if you are not hungry. Don't eat. Hello, Ojas' mother. Yes, Pari's mother here. Did Ojas eat food? No, right? Okay, the thing is that I cooked all of Pari's favorite dishes. But Pari is not hungry at all, so she doesn't want to eat. All the food will get wasted, right? So I will get it for Ojas if he will eat. Okay. Fine, I'm coming. Okay. Look, I'm asking you for the last time. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat or shall I give it to Ojas?
I said words that I am not hungry.
Today I will feed Pari myself. Come. Do you know something, Pari? When we get angry or scold someone, that time we feel even more hungry.
I am still not hungry.
I made your favorite dish, Sangra dish. Take. What do you do? You get food on time, that's why you are so naughty. I told you numerous times not to insult food like this. And I know very well that you are doing all this as I stopped you from speaking to Yash. I told you 100 times not to call Yash. Now he is not your friend. He's a bad guy and a bad guy is no one's friend. So don't call him. I won't tell you this again and again. And if you don't want, then don't eat. I will not feed you. Sit like this only.
I am not your friend.
You cannot organize your desk.
I know it, but how to organize it in such a small space?
Yes, laptop. Actually, sir, I'm really sorry, sir. Sir, I'm apologizing on his behalf. Actually, he didn't say what he wanted to say. He said something else. I mean, he didn't wanted to say what you heard. He said something else in his mind which he didn't say.
Riksha. Riksha.
Riksha! It's okay. It's luck.
This is 100 and this is 27.
You cannot even count notes. Pari does better counting than you. Drink water. Mister, bring a boiled potato fast. You eat the potato, you will feel better. Do you want something sweet?
I feel that love happens only once and I've already fallen in love once.
She left you, Yash, so why are you still tied with her memories? The one which gives pain and suffering is not love. The one which teaches us to live. The one which brings tears to the eyes. The one which supports us during good and bad times. It is true love. When you will become free from all these memories, that's when you will surely get the person you love. And you will again fall in love.
Hi, Neha. Please stop being angry. I miss your magical smile. Really. Neha, give me one chance to keep my side.
Yashvardhan Chaudhary, the new face of JYC Industries, the one who changed the face of JYC Industries.
I'm not just your friend for name's sake. You consider me your friend, right? Then tell me what's going on in your mind.
I cannot run my house with this salary, to be frank. I was going to tell you everything openly, but I knew that you will be troubled due to it. So I lied to you. But Yash, I promise you, henceforth that I'll never lie to my such a true friend.
Fred. 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 Fred.
She has a fever?
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Neha Kamath here.
Yeah, tell me.
Dr. Pari is not keeping well. She has fever.
Since when?
She was fine till morning.
You don't worry. Do you have the medicine that I suggested for fever before?
Yes, I have.
Continue giving that dose to her. She will feel better by morning. And we can talk on the phone in the morning.
Okay, doctor. I'll hang up.
Fred.
Yes, hello. Hello, doctor.
Tell me.
She is blabbering in her sleep.
What is she exactly saying?
She is saying friend.
Does she have any friend? Or she calls anymore as friend?
Yes, she has a friend.
Fred.
We have to understand the kids at such a time. Sometimes they wish for a reason or an object and then it makes a place in their place and they fall sick due to that. Contact this friend of yours now and tell him to meet her now. If that is not possible, then you can speak on the phone and the result will be good.
All right, doctor. I'll try. I had called Dr. Uncle as you were sick. Dr. Uncle said that you should take medicines. But if you don't eat food, then how will you have medicine? Right? Eat little food. Dear, don't act so stubborn. Eat a little, please.
Tell me, Neha. Neha? Neha?
Hello, Fred.
Hey dear, how are you?
Fred, how did you know I'm sick?
You're sick.
But how did you know?
No, I didn't know it. I asked you like that only, but how did you fall sick? Did you eat something from out?
No, Mom behaved badly with me, so I felt sick.
What? Mom? But why will she behave badly with you?
But she behaved.
What did she do?
I felt sick as she stopped me from speaking with you. So I didn't even eat food.
Buddy, why did you refuse to eat?
If she stops me from speaking with you, then even I can refuse, right?
You should not do that, dear. Mom will feel bad if you don't eat, right?
Fred, you don't take mom's side, okay?
All right, I won't. But Mom is concerned for you, right? She loves you very much, dear. So she got me connected with you, right?
No.
What do you mean?
The phone was near me. I dialed suddenly. But I started speaking after I heard your voice.
All right. I believe you when you say that the phone got dialed on its own. But listen carefully to what I'm saying right now.
Tell me, I will surely listen to you.
First thing, you should listen to everything that Mom tells you.
Okay.
Second thing, don't ask or do anything without asking her.
Okay.
Good girl. And the third and most important thing, Mom always takes care of you, right? So sometimes you also take care of Mom.
But I am small, then how will I take care of her?
Now tell me, what is Mom's biggest worry? Pari, isn't it? Then if Pari is happy and listens to everything that Mom says, then even she'll be happy, right? I want a promise from you today
What promise?
that you will follow everything that you've accepted just now.
Alright, I promise.
That's my girl.
Fred, I wanted to ask you something.
Tell me.
Fred, me and Roses fought and then we didn't speak with each other. Then we became friends 10 minutes later too. So when will you and Mom become friends again? Tell me, friend.
Look, buddy, when you and Otis fight, that time you stop speaking for some time, right? You both don't speak with each other. But does your friendship end?
No.
Our friendship is also the same, dear. Even though we've stopped speaking, but our friendship is still there, right? And I will never let that friendship break.
Don't just say that. Promise me too.
Promise.
Thanks, friend.
All right, now it's too late. First you eat food and sleep peacefully. We'll talk tomorrow.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Dear, look, I heated food again for you. Will you eat a little? Dear, don't act so stubborn. Please?
Alright. If you say, then I will eat a little.
My dear child. I made your favorite dish, right? Whatever is happening with Pari is not good. It's not right on her part to get so used to Yash. He's very big personality. Pari can speak with him since he's here. What if he leaves for some other part of the world in the future? What if she cannot meet or speak with him then? Then what will she do? She will fall sick again and again. If I think about it now, then there is only one solution to it. To move far away from Yash. Even if I have to leave his company for that, still it will be fine.
Mom, what are you doing? I'm very hungry. Feed me fast, please.
Yes, dear. Here.